Okay, the sauce has been cooking for about 45 minutes. Now what we want to do is add some mushrooms. It'll be an extra burst of flavors. I'm using just the white button mushrooms. These are great for this. So I like to just go ahead and just cut them lengthwise like this. You could also quarter them if you'd like, if they're a little too big. If the stems are too large, that gets a little tough, so go ahead and take that off. But you can quarter them like this if you'd like. Another sort of large stem, so let's take that off. I'll go ahead and slice this one as well. And you make these as chunky as you'd like. If you like the bigger style, just go ahead and cut it into thirds like that. It doesn't matter whether you mix and match or whether you do them all the same. It just depends on what your taste is. So like that, and again you can quarter that. You can quarter any of the stems that you want and the heads of these and then you just add them right in to your sauce. You're going to add a lot of flavor to it.